Hey guys, it's Jedd from Disrupt Tutoring. Always nice to be with you. Today we've got a maths question involving some square roots and some squares. And by the end of the video, you should know how to do this really well. So when we've got something like this, the first thing we need to do is look at the expression and see the things that are happening. We've got a square root of 144 and we've got the square of 6. Now without us knowing our rules, we don't know really what to do here. So it's very important that we understand what the rules are. Okay, the first rule we need to consider is BODMAS. And the BODMAS we're looking at is BOD and then a little E, D, M, A, S. Okay, so this becomes really important in this exercise, that E, that for exponents. The square root is a type of exponent, so it needs to come before you do the addition. So you've got to sort this thing out, make it look a lot simpler before you get into the actual addition. So what are we going to do? We're first going to simplify that, then we're going to simplify that, and then we're going to simplify the two by adding them together. Alright, so the square root of 144, guys, what would that be? So I urge you to know these off by heart, and we know that the square root of 144 is going to be 12. Right. Then 6 squared. What does 6 squared mean? 6 squared means 6 times 6. So we know 6 times 6 is 36, which would mean the square root of 36 is 6. Because 12 times 12 is 144. The square root of 144 gives you 12. Now we've got a question you probably saw last when you were in grade 3 or grade 4, and you should do this one really easily. So 12 plus 36, we're looking at 48. Right, guys, that was a nice simple question, only if you know the rules. So make sure you're revising your rules and then practicing those rules. Before I go, special shout out to Bonny's Waterworld who sponsored this video. They're a swimming school in the east and south of Joburg that offer a range of things, but mostly they teach you how to swim and they make you a really good swimmer. So if you're keen to learn a new skill, or you're keen to develop the skill you've already got, or you know of a family member that's keen, reach out to them. Their details are in the description below. As from us, make sure you visit our website and see if there are any more questions that are being answered. If you can't find your question on our website, then send it to us and we will respond with a personalized video and we will even give you a shout out. But until then, guys, stay epic.